Hi everyone, welcome back to Watching Mike. Today I have for you a recent purchase, which is the Timex Reissue 38mm with blue dial. You see the product code 2T80700ZX. Comes in a quite nice and sturdy box. You open it up. The watch is nicely tucked in. And wrapped nicely with this film all across the bezel and face. So here it is. It's a good size, 38mm, which fits my 6.5-inch wrist quite well. Nice and thin case height as well, at around 11mm. But I have to say, even after wearing short periods, you do get that pull of your hair on this bracelet. So currently looking for a 18mm replacement rubber strap perhaps, that also flanges out here to around 22mm, so it won't look a bit odd. But all in all, I think it's a great watch. Since the hype's died down, I was able to get this one relatively below retail price of $329.95 Australian dollars, which is great. And just turning the bezel, it's quite firm but turnable with no clicks, and bi-directional. And probably the one thing to be aware of is that this quartz movement doesn't allow for day changes. So you can pull out the bezel and change the date. Which I'm trying to do here. There we go. But when you try to turn it backwards, where usually you can change the day, you can just hear that clicking. So what you need to do is actually olden way style of changing the day. You need to tick over 24 hours for a day change. Which might be annoying if you have an automatic watch, but given this is quartz, you should only need to set it once every couple of years with every battery change. Otherwise, it's a nice little watch, and I have enjoyed wearing it with the nice pop of color in the bezel. And there's a lot of variants as well in the Timex range now, with the Batman, which has the blue and black bezel, or the Sprite with the black and green bezel, and also the Coke with the black and red bezel. And they've also released a GMT version of this, which is slightly more expensive and has slightly, in my opinion, better bracelet as well. But all in all, I think this is a great quartz watch at this price point. And compared to a recent purchase I made, it is better value than the Omega swatch, moon swatch. At a higher price point, this one feels a bit light and flimsy as opposed to the Timex. So here you go. The Q Timex reissue. Let me know if you like the Q Timex or the moon swatch better at this kind of price point. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for future watch reviews.